Kia ora, ko Lily tuku ingoa ko mahara tuku kura. Welcome to Whaka Cool Reo. Here's where we learn different Māori here, kiwaha and kupu. Today's kiwaha is Tīno. It means yes indeed. Check out these awesome examples on how you could use Tīno in your everyday life.
So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be #1?
Check this one out, Oliver.
Mental freeze when these people talk too much, put that thing in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut. Deep when you breathe.
Thank you for watching. I wonder how you could use Tīno in your everyday life. Mauri ora mai whanau from a different maunga.